Hey there, and welcome back to Hugo House. Today we're going to talk about this perfectly customized cabin in Montana. This log house construction by Log House Builders Montana Custom Log Homes combines milled log house construction with the stunning big sky countryside that owners Jeff and Malea Higgins call home. The beautiful log house floor plan has 1,906 square feet of space with 2 bedrooms, including the loft, and 1 bathroom. The Indiana-born couple moved to the beautiful Bitterroot Valley, and it's no wonder with those views, wildlife, and the people, they love everything about big sky country. The Higgins settled in the mountains above Stevensville, a sleepy little hamlet that is recognized as the first permanent settlement in the States. They chose this Montana property because it had the right combination of existing cabin buildings, a perfect spot for their log cabin, and fantastic views at an affordable price. Once they had the property, then they had to decide what kind of home design would suit it. A log cabin building fit the bill perfectly, so to help put this plan into action, they contacted Montana Custom Log Homes, located in nearby Victor, Montana, to help them design and to construct their new dream cabin building. The couple liked the log house plans and the flexibility that the company offered and felt that their customer service was superior to other log house companies with whom they had spoken. They liked the look of the consistent diameter milled log house packages. They were also able to design and create the exact log house space they had envisioned, including taking advantage of the slope of their mountainside. The kitchen, dining, and living areas flow together nicely, and the stairways frame the high back wall. They also added a walk-out basement to the standard log cabin design, which allowed more living space both inside and out. The living spaces in the log house flow out onto the upper and lower covered porches that run the whole length of their log cabin. The couple uses the upper covered porch the most because they love the view towards the valley. They thought it was a great use of all the log house square footage. The bathroom is where function meets beauty with custom flooring and a specially designed shower space. The bathroom floor was poured concrete that the couple stained and polished themselves by hand. It's a durable, beautiful, and cost-effective type of flooring. The mountains of Montana provided all the inspiration that the couple needed to complete the cabin building's exterior and decorate their space. They found a concrete company in nearby Hamilton to manufacture the perfect color for their log house foundation. They applied the fall stone to the perimeter of the log house, then built a patio off the front door to accentuate their handiwork. For the log house rustic decor, which features bits of red throughout, there are also the perfect accents for the log stair treads to complete their bare log house theme. This amazing log house was designed and built from the heart, the perfect shining star in Montana's big sky country. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. And also, subscribe to our channel. We will be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and to other inspiring home ideas.